is the 2D shape called circle. This circle, the area of the circle is pi r square. The area of circle is divided by cutting the pieces of circle into many pieces. If we cut these pieces, we get a small cone, half cone. We'll get it. Arrange the small pieces into rectangle. By making this up and down, if we will arrange it. Now this is a rectangle. This rectangle, the area of rectangle is length into breadth. The length is L here, the breadth is B. Taking circle here, the length is pi r and the breadth is r, radius. If we multiply pi r into r, pi r square we get. This is how the circle area formula is divided. Thank you.